Looking to start your YouTube journey but not sure which camera to pick? Whether you're vlogging, filming tutorials, or capturing life's moments, this video breaks down the 5 best beginner-friendly YouTube cameras in 2025. Stay till the end. Camera 5 might just surprise you. First one, the sleek and compact camera from Lyrit is more than just travel-friendly. It's packed with features YouTube beginners love. Offering 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and stunning 48-megapixel image clarity, it's built for high-quality content creation. Its autofocus system is lightning fast, ensuring crisp, clear shots whether you're indoors or outdoors. The 180-degree flip IPS screen makes it a breeze to frame your selfies or vlogs, and the anti-shake technology keeps your footage stable on the go. But there's more. It comes with both a wide-angle and macro lens, supports Wi-Fi connectivity, and even doubles as a webcam with HDMI output. Whether you're live streaming or filming a travel vlog, this camera delivers. Plus, 2 batteries mean no interruptions mid-shoot. Meet the NIKICAM Pro R2P, a feature-rich yet budget-friendly camera perfect for first-time creators. Boasting 4K video and 48-megapixel photos, this compact camera nails the essentials, but adds a few creative twists. Equipped with a 180-degree flip screen and smile capture, it's ideal for solo vloggers. The anti-shake system and 16x digital zoom help you capture both wide scenes and detailed close-ups effortlessly. And for those who love variety, this camera includes 20 filter effects, slow motion, loop recording, and time-lapse, giving your content a stylish, dynamic touch. With a 32GB card, 2 batteries, and even a pop-up flash, it's a complete starter kit in your pocket. Looking to take it up a notch? The Pedtail 5K digital camera offers 75-megapixel ultra-sharp image quality and 5K UHD video recording, making it one of the most powerful beginner cameras out there. Thanks to its 18x digital zoom and autofocus, this camera captures faraway subjects in stunning detail. The 3-inch flip screen makes vlogging simple, and with built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your content online is effortless. Need to go live? No problem. It functions as a webcam too. Whether you're creating tutorials or capturing travel highlights, the Pedtail camera handles it all. It comes ready with 2 rechargeable batteries and a 32GB SD card, so you're set right out of the box. Compact, powerful, and designed for creators, the NIKICAM WD02 is a gem for YouTubers who want 4K resolution, 56-megapixel still images, and versatile shooting modes. With a 180-degree flip screen and the ability to use it as a webcam, it fits perfectly into a YouTuber's setup. Want to share your latest vlog from your phone? Just connect through Wi-Fi and post instantly. From slow motion to time-lapse, it supports multiple video modes to help bring your stories to life. It even includes beauty and smile detection, making it perfect for lifestyle content or casual shoots. Plus, the included 52mm lens, 32GB card, and dual batteries make it a fantastic value bundle for beginners. And finally, the VJIA NGERW02, the camera that punches above its weight. Don't let the size fool you. This 4K camera offers 48-megapixel images, 16x digital zoom, and comes bundled with a wide-angle and macro lens for flexibility. With its 3-inch flip screen, autofocus, and external mic support, it's a dream for vloggers and content creators. Plus, the RAW photo format gives you more editing power if you're ready to dive into post-production. It includes 2 batteries, a 32GB TF card, and supports Wi-Fi transfers, HDMI output, and even tripod compatibility. At this price, it's one of the most feature-rich travel and YouTube cameras for new creators. So, which one's your pick? Whether you're vlogging your day, reviewing products, or just getting started, there's a perfect beginner camera here for everyone. All product links are in the description, so check them out and start your YouTube journey today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product reviews every day. See you in the next video.